Hello, this is a video on how to pull a stackable washer and dryer out of a closet. And we're pulling it out so we can get to the back of it and remove the dryer and then work on the washing machine. The first thing we do is use this electrical fishing tape, and we fish it around the back of the washing machine. And then we use the fishing tape to pull the tow strap around the machine. Okay, so use electrical fishing tool, go around behind the washing machine, come around the other side, then we tie a rope to the fishing tool. Now I have to attach this to the fishing tool attached to the tow strap. Like the tow strap in there.
You pull it around?
You pull on this side. You pull on that side, and I'll fish it around. The main thing is we have to get around the corner because you got the hook here that can catch on the corner. So you pull on that end, and I'll fish it around. Just keep pulling it. Okay, we got the tow strap pulled all the way around. Going to tie a knot here. There, I got a knot there. Now, you put the
Very clever.
now. Okay, now I have to readjust the knot so the knot will be back up here. Okay, we got a pry bar there and a block of wood to lift the corner up, because we've got this threshold board that's blocking the washing machine from coming out. So we have to lift up that corner up and over. Okay, now go ahead and lift it. Got it up?
Yeah. Wow, that's amazing.
Okay, I'm going to pull on that side. Pull on this side. Okay, pull it. Okay. Okay, is it going to catch up on the back now?
Oh.
Those back feet might catch on that threshold. We'll lift up at a 45-degree angle and try to get it up and over the threshold. Okay, ready? Go. There, we got it. Same thing here. And it should come up and over that threshold. Let's keep it short. Here, let me grab this rope too. We got it. Just have to slide it a little bit further so we can get behind the okay.